In Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith number 7418 from Book 97, Hadith 46, authentic, there is an authentic narrative involving a discussion between the Prophet Muhammad and individuals from the Yemenites and Bani Tamim tribes. The individuals from Yemen asked, "So we inquire of you regarding the origin of this universe." The Prophet said, "There was Allah and nothing else before him, and his throne was over the water, and he then created the heavens and the earth and wrote everything in the book." In this hadith, the Prophet provided information about the location of God and referred to God using pronouns like him and his. This states that God has a physical form. Sanatan Dharma, known for its eternity, has existed since the beginning of time. Many Hindu or Sanatan scriptures, particularly the Bhagavatam, affirm this concept. Specifically, the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the first canto, chapter 3, texts 1 and 2, states, "In the beginning of the creation, the Lord first expanded himself in the universal form of the Purusa incarnation, Mahavishnu, and manifested all the ingredients for the material creation. And thus at first there was the creation of the 16 principles of material action. This was for the purpose of creating the material universe. A part of the Purusha lies down within the water of the universe, from the navel lake of his body sprouts a lotus stem, and from the lotus flower atop this stem, Brahma, the master of all engineers in the universe, becomes manifest." This factual information proved that our Muslim brother and sisters are worshipping none other than Mahavishnu in the invisible form of Allah. Mahavishnu, who is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. The ultimate source of all existence is invisible to the naked eye but can be experienced through its presence and influence.